A cluttered garage can make tools harder to find, projects more frustrating, and valuable floor space almost impossible to use. These 15 garage storage and organization finds offer practical ways to manage tools, equipment, cords, bicycles, and bulky supplies while creating a space that works more efficiently. Before we begin, commissions may be earned from the links shared with this video. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases at no additional cost to you. Thank you for supporting Pamela's Best Finds. Let's begin with the larger storage pieces that create a foundation for the entire garage. These racks, drawers, shelves, pegboards, and cabinets give bulky gear and everyday tools dependable places to go. An adjustable garage rack creates a sturdy storage zone for tires, bins, toolboxes, and other bulky equipment. It helps move those larger items into one defined area instead of allowing them to spread across the garage floor. A rolling tool chest keeps hand tools and project supplies separated into drawers instead of piled together. The casters make it easier to move the storage where it is needed, while the top provides another useful work surface. Heavy-duty metal shelving adds generous vertical storage without requiring a complicated built-in system. The multiple tiers provide room for bins, equipment, paint supplies, automotive products, and other items that can quickly overwhelm the floor. A metal pegboard moves frequently used tools onto the wall where they remain visible and easy to reach. With 4 panels and 50 hooks, the arrangement can be adjusted as the tool collection or workspace changes. A locking metal cabinet provides concealed storage for tools, chemicals, supplies, or anything you would rather keep behind closed doors. Adjustable shelves help accommodate different-sized items, while the keyed lock adds another layer of control. Once the larger storage pieces are in place, the next step is creating a more efficient project area. These finds organize cords, power tools, small hardware, work surfaces, and frequently used hand tools. This underdesk cable tray keeps cords and power strips from hanging around the work area or collecting on the floor. Its clamp-on design creates organized cable storage without requiring permanent holes in the desktop. A power tool organizer brings drills, batteries, bits, accessories, and charging equipment together in one dedicated station. It keeps frequently used equipment visible while helping prevent chargers and smaller accessories from becoming scattered. Open storage bins make it easier to separate screws, fittings, fasteners, and other small parts by type. Mounting them on the wall keeps the contents visible and accessible without taking over the workbench. A wall-mounted folding workbench creates a sturdy project surface whenever it is needed. When the work is finished, the top folds toward the wall so the garage can regain valuable walking or parking space. Magnetic tool holders keep metal hand tools lined up and easy to grab. They can free space inside drawers while making frequently used screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, and other tools easier to see at a glance. The final 5 finds handle the garage items that are often the most awkward to store. These durable solutions manage large totes, air hoses, extension cords, long-handled tools, and bicycles. Large industrial totes provide high-capacity storage for seasonal decorations, outdoor supplies, sports gear, and bulky household items. The matching lids help protect the contents, and the uniform shape makes the containers easier to stack neatly. A 50-foot retractable air hose reel keeps a long hose from becoming tangled or stretched across the floor. After a project, the hose retracts into the reel so the workspace looks cleaner and the hose stays contained. This extension cord holder wraps securely around a long coiled cord, making it easier to hang, carry, and store. It is a simple solution for preventing loose cords from turning into frustrating tangles. A wall-mounted tool organizer creates dedicated slots and hooks for rakes, shovels, brooms, folding chairs, and other awkward equipment. Moving long-handled items onto the wall can free a surprising amount of floor and corner space. A swivel bike wall mount stores bicycles vertically instead of letting them occupy the center of the garage. Once mounted, the bikes can pivot closer to the wall, helping preserve more usable space around them. You can see all 15 garage storage and organization finds in the complete guide on Pamela's Best Finds. The blog link is first in the description, followed by the complete Amazon idea list. Which part of your garage would you organize first? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more helpful finds that make every space work harder.